Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video I will cover top 5 Olympiads which are conducted in India. But before knowing about top Olympiads, you should know about what is Olympiad. So basically Olympiads are a kind of competitive exam held across schools to tap exceptional students with the best of potential, talent, aptitude and IQ. During these exams, subjects covered are science, maths, computer, or any other language such as English or Hindi. So now starting with number 5, Silver Zone Olympiad. The Silver Zone Foundation is an educational organization that conducts several Olympiads for school children. This organization aims at improving the education quality and taking the minds of school students beyond the school curriculum. The national and international students can take part in Silver Zone Olympiad exam by doing the online registration. Silver Zone conducts a series of Olympiads to check the reasoning, logical, analytical and problem-solving skills of the students. Interested students from class 1st to class 12th can do Silver Zone registration through online or offline mode. Now talking about the next Olympiad, Unified Council Olympiad. The Unified Council is an educational organization that conducts various Olympiad exams for school students. The council aims at developing the younger generation with good education skills for their bright future. The Unified Council Olympiad exams are helpful to build a good research and learning ability among the school students. The students at a very tender age can get to know about higher education through these Olympiad exams. The solution of the Olympiad exams are based on the course and curriculum of the academic education. The students from class 1st to class 12th can register for various Unified Council Olympiad exams. Next Olympiad, Science Olympiad Foundation. Science Olympiad Foundation is a not-for-profit organization. It conducts Olympiad exam in mathematics, science, computer and general knowledge. With the help of many activities and use of information technology, the Science Olympiad Foundation has been promoting scientific attitude and temperament for over 2 decades now. Next Olympiad, Indian National Olympiad, financially supported by the Government of India. This program aims at promoting excellence in science and mathematics among students at school level. The Indian National Science Olympiad exam is conducted by the Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. The candidates who have qualified in the National Standard Examination are eligible to participate in the Indian National Olympiad. The exam is conducted at 18 centers across India in various science subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy and junior science. And now talking about Indian Talent Olympiad. Established in 2012, the Indian Talent Olympiad is one of the leading Olympiad organizations in the country. It organizes some of the major Olympiad exams in the country. These are scholarship exams that include the topics of the school board syllabus. The organization is associated with over 33,000 schools with a network of over 1 crore students. The main aim of conducting Olympiads in India is to prepare the students' mentality to take up the challenge and promoting the learning skills in the subjects they want to excel in. The Indian Talent Olympiad exams are conducted in the month of December and February every year. Students can either choose to attempt the exam online or offline. Students participating individually need to follow the online exam dates. Schools can select between online and offline modes of exam and can follow the dates accordingly. And now talking about some of the Olympiads which are conducted by the Indian Talent Olympiad. International Science Olympiad. The Science Olympiad exam is based on applied science. It tests students on different topics of physics, chemistry and bio. International Maths Olympiad. The Maths Olympiad is conducted in various schools across India. It is open for students from class 1st to class 10th. All questions asked in these exams are MCQ. English International Olympiad. Students from different schools across the country can participate in this Olympiad. The test consists of knowledge and competence in the English language. International Computer Olympiad or Cyber Olympiad. The Olympiad has also several other names such as Cyber Olympiad, Informatics Olympiad, and Digital Olympiad. It is aimed at training young minds and preparing them for the future. International Drawing Olympiad. Drawing competition is open for students from class 1st to class 10th to maintain a balance between academics and co-curricular activities. National Essay Olympiad. This exam allows students to test their language skill. It encourages storytelling, thus making it more interesting. General Knowledge International Olympiad. It tests students' general knowledge in different aspects including environment, science, and technology. GK Olympiad focuses on the overall development of the children. National Social Studies Olympiad. It tests students' knowledge of subjects including history, geography, and civics. It is conducted by Indian Talent Olympiad at national level once in a year. The exam is conducted within school premises. Now talking about the Indian Talent Olympiad syllabus. The Olympiad exams are conducted at national and international level for state boards. International boards including CBSE, ICSE boards for class 1st to class 10th. Students have to refer to their specific board pattern. Besides, they can also refer to the Olympiad books provided by the Indian Talent Olympiad as well as the previous year question papers. All the links related to Indian Talent Olympiad is given in the description area, and if you want more such videos, subscribe this channel.